Hello guys, compliments of the season. So as it dey hot, some people said that there is no week for the wicked people, and I've checked myself. I am not a wicked person. So what I did was to look around my house. I have this wool that have been lying there in my room doing nothing. So I decided to experiment with the wig today and see what I can actually achieve using the wig. Was to roll the wig using the door handle. After that, I have to pick some strands of the wool, then part my hair starting from the back. Then I started braiding. Like at this very point, I don't really know what I wanted out of this hair. I don't even know the style. Like I don't really have any picture of what I wanted, but I shall know that this hair must surely, it must surely give by fire by force. So this is me trying to trim off the excess fly on the hair so that the hair will look neat. Funny thing is that I didn't really start this hair very early as I was supposed to start, but I shall know that I must finish this hair today by fire by force. I started around 11 or thereabout, and as at around the 3, this is exactly where the hair has gotten to, and I know that this hair must finish today whether the devil like it or not, because this is my Xmas hair and nothing is going to stop me from shining. I continued braiding. Do you know that the funny thing is that I even forgot to eat today because of this hair? I said this hair, I must finish you. I must finish it. And as you can see, the hair is actually going. The hair is actually moving to the permanent side. Nothing you won't tell me. And me like this, I can't even wait to see the finished look. I know all of you are just anticipating to see what the finished look is gonna look like. At this point there, I was not even tired at all, and the hair is moving very fast, like no dull moment, no dulling, and the hair is moving. The front part of the hair is really important, and I have to take my time to make it smaller so that the hair will look full somehow, because I don't want it to look too full and I don't want it to look too scanty. So I'm just taking my time to braid the front hair, and you guys know that I don't really have edges, so I'm just trying as much as possible to cover the front hair so that it will look good. At this point, at exactly 6 p.m., I was almost through with the hair. So because I was indoors, the room was almost looking dark, so I have to come outside to come and finish up the hair. And as you guys can see, the thing is moving, and I'm so happy that I was able to finish it today. Though this is not really the final look, but then I'm going to show you guys the final look tomorrow. And guys, what do you think about this hair? The hair makes sense. So hey god, oh, see, waiting I for go spend money for salon to do when I can do it myself. Do the breathe. See now. Hey, salon people na not go chop my money this year. Oh, lie, you not go chop my money. Just see the hair now. The hair is giving. The hair is looking so beautiful. So guys, I want you to stay tuned. By tomorrow, I'm going to show you the final look. Like, this is not the final look, and it's already looking like Xmas hair. Who they breathe? I say who they breathe. Hey, Chineke, I get talent too. I get talent. Anyway, see you guys tomorrow. We're gonna finish it. See ya. Bye.